I know, but you gotta push. You gotta push. What's going on, Tony and Ronnie? It's your boy Tony TV, and I'm back with another video. I hope everybody had a great, awesome day today. Like always, if you're watching this video, go ahead and smash that like button for your boy. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and join the family. All right? Thank you so much. All right, today I'm gonna be making some cheese. Let's say Philly cheesesteak, cheesesteak, homemade Philly cheesesteak.
Cheesesteak, I guess.
Alright, I'm gonna make some cheesesteak, okay? Philly cheesesteak, hamburgers, whatever you want to call it, okay?
Okay.
I got the cheese. I got the steak here, okay? This was $5 at Giant. If you ever want to pick up some yourself, $5 at Giant's, okay? I have the green peppers, the onions, and the mushrooms, and we've been using a little bit of seasoned oil and pepper only for this, okay? I'm hungry. Oh. And we also have the bread, the rolls, the sub rolls, the butter, because we're going to butter it up, and we're going to put these bad boys in the oven so they can be nice and toasted. We have the lettuce, and we have the tomatoes, okay, and the mayo. Yes. All right. I hope everybody hungry, because I'm about to throw down in the kitchen, and I'm about to get my grub on.
Yeah, boy.
And we're just going to go ahead and just try to open it up a little bit.
It's actually like shaved meat.
Yep, shaved meat. Look at that. See the fat? This is going to be good.
Yeah.
Alright, so you just want to just try to pull it apart a little bit, because we're just going to throw all this in one pan. We're going to throw this in here. Y'all hear that sizzle? Yeah. So this is why you want to break it up, because you really don't want to throw clumps in there. I'm going to go ahead and throw in the vegetables, okay? Make some room.
Onions, green pepper, mushrooms.
Yeah, so all that good stuff. Alright, throw all that in there. And like fashion, I'm making a mess like I always do. Of course I am. Add the seasoned oil. Okay, not a lot, just a little bit. Okay. Alright, just a little bit more. Alright, and we're gonna add some pepper.
Need salt.
Probably the garlic salt. Yeah, just a little bit. I'm gonna use a little bit. Alright, pepper. Alright, and we're gonna use a little bit of garlic salt. Okay, not a lot. Alright, see that? Just a little bit. A lot. And that's it. That's basically it. And we're gonna give this a good old chop and flip and everything else. That looks so good. Uh-oh. Let me turn this up a little bit. I got it on like a 3, it's not really cooking, so turn it up some. Mushroom? Come on,
Yeah.
get in there. Alright. Now we're cooking. Come on. Alright, we're going to do this process for about, I don't know, so whatever how you like your meat. Some people like their meat medium. Some people like their meat well done. Some people like it moving still.
Nah. I don't believe it.
Alright guys, I got the rolls all buttered up. And I got the stove on broil. So we're going to go ahead and toast these bad boys up. And as you can see, the meat is still cooking nice. I got it on very low at the moment because I'm waiting for the rolls to cook. So when the rolls come out, I'm just going to turn this back up to medium, and it should be done in any minute. That looks so good. This is done. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn this off. You don't want to overcook your cheesesteak meat because you just don't want to do that, okay? But maybe I want to. Shoot.
Of course.
All right, guys. Yep. Got the what's my call?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Rolls.
The rolls. Got the meat.
With your mayonnaise.
Oh yeah. Mayonnaise first, always. I'm slipping. Mayonnaise first. Lettuce. Meats. Look at that juicy meat. Mmm.
You're so messy.
I know I am. I am messy. Yeah, I'm gonna take a spoon to get that, but I just want to show y'all what it looks like in a second. I'm gonna come back and get all them greens and all those onions. All right. Got that. Now we're gonna go. I wanted a little what is this? Mozzarella here. I like mozzarella, so I'm gonna go with just a little bit of mozzarella because I'm lactose. We're gonna go with the tomato.
Probably could have cut them in half.
Yeah, but that's fine. All right.
Good knife.
Oh yeah, we're gonna take the knife. We're gonna fold this bad boy up. I know, you know I'm. All right. And there we go. Cut it so I can show y'all. And that's what I'm talking about. Bam. Y'all know that look good. Alright guys, I'm done. Finally. Look at that. Tell me that don't look good. Look at that.
Sloppy as hell. But it look good.
That's how I like it. See that juice dripping? Let's get a bite. That's really good. That's really good. It is. That's good. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hit that like button for your boy. And I'll see y'all soon, actually. Tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Bye.